Page 9, a teenager in love. Well, we get C sharps in this, so we get a black key. We're not in C position anymore. So look at the right hand. You're starting out with second finger on A. That puts you in this position. And occasionally when you get a C sharp, you're going to use the fourth finger on the C sharp. So you might use the forefinger on either note. Depends on what the music needs. And the left hand, well, it starts with a here in this position. Except there's a note under the staff that says left hand 1 octave lower, 8 notes. It simply means instead of this G, come down to this G. You go down to the next note with the same letter name. So it's here, here. So you're in this G position, reading those notes. So you have to pretend, and that confuses some people. Do the best you can with it. So you're actually in G position here. And you do have a C sharps, so you might have to go here. Alright, now 4/4 time, so 4 beats in a measure, we're counting quarter notes, okay, we're good to go. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And there's four's a rest, and then one of the next two, you got two beats of rest. So again, measure 4 where the C sharp is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1. You get the idea? Measure 9. Let's go down there. 1, 2, 3. Remember, a dotted half note is the same as 3 quarter notes. Just memorize it. And in 4/4 time, it gets 3 counts then. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the left hand takes over. Then the right hand comes down. And they want you to move down. You got rest, you got time, you move down to C position. Do it before you get there. So you're in C position before you need to play that F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, here. It's important. Don't wait until you got to play the note to move. If possible, always move before. It's your choices to win. I usually wait until right before, like in that measure, right before, and then I see it coming. I got to move. But make sure you're there before you play that F sharp. In the left hand, well, remember, it's written here, but we're playing it down here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the rhythm for the most part. Let's go down to the third line at the end. It's measure 13 where the left hand gets the melody. It's 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And it comes up on 3. It comes up when the right hand plays there. Put the hands together. 1. Different rhythms going on in the hands, so you got to be careful. I may be going a bit fast. That's all right. You take it your speed. The last line, measure 14. The left hand's got the melody. Right hand's got to move. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. As far as the slurs go, that's fine. Just connect them. I mean, you got rests in between the slurs, so you have to lift up, so that's kind of handy. And that's okay. On the last line, on the last 2 measures, you're ending a slur in the left hand, and you're starting a slur in the right. If you'd like, there's a comma there. You can lift up the left hand just a speck early, so there's a little silence before you play the right hand. It's 1, 2. It's like a quick breath. 1, 2. That's fine. Try that. You don't have to connect them. So the music says don't connect them because they're different. They got different slur lines. Okay. Dynamics go to the melody. And that's whatever you think moderately loud is, you keep everything else in the back. This left hand needs to be soft. Until the third line wind down, last measures. Measure 13. Now the left hand gets melody. It's going to be loud now. It goes up a little bit to loud. And then this right hand at the end is go back down to moderately loud. Now you have to be careful on a piano because as you get lower, it's easy to get loud. So watch it. Just you don't want it very loud. Just loud, so you may have to tone it back a bit. Speed, it doesn't give you a speed. Well, isn't that convenient? This is a happy piece though. So forth, my impression of it. Maybe that was a little fast for you, but this is supposed to be a happy. The teenagers in love and all that junk, so it's got to be happy or something. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms because it's got some tricky things and I haven't really covered everything because I'm hoping you can read the music and figure it out. So I'll give us 4 counts and I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to play both hands about the same because I want you to hear them clearly. 1, 2, ready, go.